Welcome guys on my YouTube channel, and you are watching my channel IELTS with the Sophia. Guys, in this video I will tell you how you can improve your reading skills in IELTS exam. So that's why watch this video till end so you can easily know about some tips and tricks like how you can easily get above 8 band score in reading module. Yes. Okay, first of all, we will talk about translation, which is a must to understand every line in English. Yes, today I will make a video in English so you can improve your listening power, so you can become confident, like you can also speak in English in front of others. Yes. Okay, first of all, I will talk about a translation. With the help of translation, you can easily find your correct answers, although it's a true false or fill-ups, true false, yes no not given, multiple choice. This thing is not matter. Matter is just to improve translation, to understand English language, that what point wants to say. Now here is the question is how you can improve your translation. First question was how you can improve your English, but now the question was how you can improve your translation to understand English language. Guys, this is the last but not least superb method is to read Brill's newspaper. Yes, Brill's newspaper, like I am challenging you, like within 7 days you will become able to understand the line in English, or you can easily tell the meaning in Hindi or Punjabi to others. So that's why read Brill's newspaper. Brill's newspaper, the cost is just 5 or 10 maybe, and you can get print from the market. There are number of PDFs upload on Google, Telegram, and I also upload a number of Brill's newspapers PDF on my Telegram channel IELTS with Sophia. If you want to get PDF, then you can join my Telegram channel IELTS with Sophia. Second thing, you should read properly, carefully every question, mark some keywords so you can memorize some keywords, and when you turn your page, read the paragraph 1, 2, 3, or you can easily find your answers. You can easily find your synonyms, antonyms, that what will be the answer according to the question demand. Now we will talk about a further tip, that is grammar. Yes. With the help of grammar, you can easily find your answers, and this tip I always tell to my all online students, like preposition, article. First of all, I will talk about a preposition like of, on, in, at, into, with. If I talk about an article, a and the. If I talk about a punctuation, comma, semicolon. If I talk about a gerund, verb the first form plus ing. These things are too powerful to improve the reading skills. If you have a capability to understand these things, so you can easily get 8 band score in reading module and nobody can stop you. If I talk about next tip, what is the next tip? That is to solve fill-ups in 7 days, till 7 days. Till 7 days, just continue fill-ups, nobody other questions, just fill-ups. After 7 days, start to do true false for next 7 days. After next 7 days, just do MCQ. Like you will imagine, like within a 1 month, you will become capable above 7 or 7.5 by following these tips and tricks. And you can easily fill your exam in May, June, July, or in the next month according to your practice. And these types of tips I always discuss with my online students so that they can also know about these secrets and they can fulfill their own dreams and also of their parents in Canada or in America, in Australia, where you want to go. If you like this video, if you knew some tips and tricks from me now, then you have to subscribe my channel IELTS with Sophia, because tomorrow I will upload a video in English to improve the listening power and you can easily get above 8 band score in listening module. So you have to subscribe my channel IELTS with Sophia. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Telegram, just IELTS with Sophia. You have to search and you will easily find the ID on these social medias. Okay. Now next video, what do you want? You can tell me in the comment box, but I am planning to make a video to improve the listening power. And what video you want, you can tell me in the comment box. And also tell me one thing, like I am speaking in English, what you learned. According to me, you learned just one thing, like you should also open the camera. You should try to speak in English more and more and feeling enjoy. Yes, feeling enjoy. Okay. Guys, video ਵਧੀਆ ਲੱਗੀ ਹੋਵੇ ਚੈਨਲ ਨੂੰ subscribe, like and share ਤਾਂ ਬਿਲਕੁਲ. You have to share more and more with your friends so your friends can also motivate to themselves, like they can also get good band score in speaking as well as reading module, and tomorrow they will know about the listening module, how they can improve their listening power. Okay guys, God bless you too much. Now we will meet in the next video. Stay connected as with Sophia.